How to make a background image transparent in Google Slides. Hello everyone, and let's get started. In order to make the background transparent in Google Slide, you just have to do this easiest step. For this, open the Google Slide first and then add a new tab. Once you add a new slide, tap on the Insert button or Upload Image button. Select Upload from Computer and choose the photo that you want to add as a background. Once you have added the photo that you want to add, click on Open and then arrange it in such a way that it covers the whole page. Once you have done so, the next step is clicking on Format Options. Tapping on that will give you some of the options on the right side of the screen. Tap on Adjustments and you have an option called Opacity. If you decrease the opacity, it will then start making the photo or the background transparent. Making it to 0 will then clear the transparent object. So that is all for today's video. For more such contents, do not forget to hit the like and subscribe button. Thank you and keep watching.